That is ads copywriting opportunities with ChatGPT. So as you guys know, like ChatGPT is an incredible language model that is developed by OpenAI, and it's making waves in various fields nowadays. So one of its most promising applications is the realm of copywriting for advertisements. So yeah, exactly in this video, we'll deep dive into the world of ChatGPT and explore how it can revolutionize the way we create compelling ad copies. So before starting, some of you guys might be wondering, like, why should we use ChatGPT for writing ad copies? Like, why only ChatGPT? Well, there are several reasons that make it an excellent choice or excellent option for you guys. So the number one could be like creativity boost. Like ChatGPT, can come up with fresh and innovative ideas, as you guys have seen by now with different applications of that. And one of that can create innovative ideas for your ad copies, ensuring that your brand stands out from the competition that is already available in the market. So the number two reason might be like time efficiency. So the number three and the last reason could be audience centric. So ChatGPT can tailor your ad copy to suit the preferences and interests of your targeted audience, leading to better engagement and conversions. So the number two type of the ad that ChatGPT can create can be Google ads. Google and Facebook ad will be seeing that in their next module. So for pay-per-click advertisement, like ChatGPT can create compelling ad copies that are relevant to users' search queries, driving more traffic to your website. So the number three ask could be video ads. ChatGPT can now really help you to write scripts for those video ads, that resonate with your audience. So imagine like how cool and how good the AI has become nowadays. So the number four ads can be for the email marketing, as you guys have seen earlier, like personalized and persuasive email copies are really crucial for a successful email marketing campaign. So now you can get help from ChatGPT in that purpose as well. So yeah, there you have it. In today's video, we have seen some of the opportunities out of which you can use ChatGPT for ad copywriting. So we also saw some of the advantages of ChatGPT for ads copywriting, and we also saw some of the types of ads you can get help from ChatGPT in order to create one. So yeah, that will be it for this video. I will be exploring the incredible world of crafting Facebook and Google ads with help of ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard that right. ChatGPT is here now to revolutionize the way we create ads for two of the biggest advertisement platforms, you can say, which are Google and Facebook. So, and now with the help of ChatGPT, we can actually create ad copies that basically resonate with our targeted audience, like no matter how diverse their interests are. So now this AI can help us experiment with different angles, you can say storytelling, and even calls to action to find the perfect mix. For then, without further ado, let's just see that with the help of a lab demonstration. All right, so here I am with my ChatGPT open. So first of all, I'll type in my prompt formula. All right, and now for the product or service, I'll choose a product, and let's just say I want to write a Facebook ad to sell my shirts to my targeted audience, and let's just go for the targeted audience, people of age 18 to 25 years old. And yeah, after that, I would say also provide ideal targeted audience, placement, budget, and duration. So yes, let's now go ahead and enter to see the output of that. So yeah, as you guys can see, they provided me a complete ad with all the emojis, as you can see. So this is very straightforward. I can simply copy that, paste it, and just send it to my client, from there which I will get the order, and I can start earning money out of that in no time. So first of all, I say, hey there, fashion forward young adults looking to upgrade your wardrobe with some serious cool looking shirts. So yeah, these are basically a few of the sections, and it says stand out from the crowd, say goodbye to boring outfits. So as you guys can see, like how good it has created the ad for me, like, with all the eye-catching punchline, with all the new words, and at the end it also provided a template, like I can insert my link over here, all those cool sections which we really want in a Facebook ad to be published on Facebook. So if you guys be wondering like how we can earn money out of that, like this could be a question in some of you guys' minds. So it's really simple. If you can go on, let's just say Fiverr.com, and let's just say you search Facebook ads list, okay? So immediately you'll see a lot of gigs, a lot of posts about people. All right, so there I am with my ChatGPT open again. So right now I'm just going to type in my prompt formula. I'm going to write a Google search ad for my targeted audience, selling products. So for the product, let's just go for this is sunglasses this time. I'll be trying to create ad for selling my sunglasses. And for the targeted audience, let's just go for teenagers this time. I want to sell glasses to the teenager this time. Let's be random. And I'll say after that include headline, descriptions, keywords, and ad extensions. So let's just hit enter and see the output of that first of all. Then I'll try to explain that to you. All right, so as you guys can see, I did provided me with kind of a short and brief ad. So first of all, it said the headline is going to be stylish sunglasses for trend-setting tees. Then it said description, elevate your look with fashionable sunglasses, shop now. Then it also provided the keywords. Those are basically kind of a key search, that you can provide it in Google Ad extension. And, whenever people will try to search one of these keywords, so the ad will pop up to their timeline automatically. So then ad extension, shop now for exclusive teen sunglasses deals, free shipping on orders over $30. So ad extension is also available over here. And after that, so this will be our ad with the headline this. Then we have a description, elevate your look with fashionable sunglasses, shop now. And these will be our keywords that will be required to craft a Google ad. So yeah, there you have it. Like in this video, we have seen how ChatGPT can empower us to craft powerful Facebook and Google ads. So as you guys saw, this AI-powered tool opens new possibilities for our marketing efforts. Remember to use ChatGPT responsibly and always review and refine the generated content so there wouldn't be any chances of error and the ad will be absolutely perfect. So yeah, if you're passionate about storytelling, let's just say video content, and you also want to discover how ChatGPT can open doors to new creative possibilities. So yeah, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. So yeah, if you talk about the video script writing opportunities, so first and foremost opportunity that you can have with ChatGPT is video script writing for explainer videos. So one of the most common opportunities with ChatGPT is crafting scripts for explainer videos, like whether you are explaining a complex concept, introducing a product, or even presenting a business idea. So in that, ChatGPT can really help you create concise and engaging scripts that keep your audience hooked. So next opportunity we'll talk about is writing scripts for educational videos. So yeah, as you guys have noticed, education and online learning have seen tremendous growth, and video content plays a significant role in this space. So now with ChatGPT, you can create educational video scripts that simplify challenging topics, and it also helps making learning more accessible and enjoyable for your viewers. So then next opportunity we'll talk about is crafting compelling storylines for the videos. Storytelling is a really powerful tool to captivate your audience, and ChatGPT can be a very invaluable asset in crafting compelling narratives for your video script. So whether it is a short film, web series, or even marketing campaigns, and now you can do all the scripting of those videos with the help of ChatGPT without any problems. So yeah, the last and a very important opportunity of video writing script can be adapting scripts for different video formats. Nowadays, as you guys have noticed, video content comes in various formats, right? From social media shorts to longer documentary style videos. In every aspect, ChatGPT can now help you adapt your script to suit the specific requirements of each format, and ensuring your message is delivered effectively and rightly. So yeah, there you have it. We have seen how ChatGPT can really be a game changer in the world of video script writing, helping you to create compelling scripts for explainer videos, as well as the educational content, storytelling, shorts, and more. So the future of creating content creation is really exciting, and ChatGPT now is here to support your journey for you guys. So before we begin, let's discuss the importance of choosing a relevant and engaging video topic. So the success of any YouTube video starts with a well-defined topic that is basically trending nowadays, and that resonates resonates with your audience. So in this case study, we'll use ChatGPT to brainstorm our ideas and refine our focus for the script. So yeah, for creating a YouTube video script, this will basically be our prompt formula today. So first of all, I will type in write a complete script for a YouTube video about whatever the topic is going to be, and then we'll say where the video length is. You type in the duration of the video, like how long you want your script to be, and then this is really important. You'll type in a prompt like, here are more details about what I want to add to the video script. So now what you're going to do is you need to provide some of the information, some details, or you can say kind of a reference to ChatGPT, like this is how your video should be, and these points should be involved in your YouTube video in order to be like more and more, precise. So ChatGPT could like lose the purpose of what you're trying to deliver to your audience. So this is what exactly your prompt is going to be. So yeah, now go ahead and see that with the help of a demonstration, like how you can exactly do that. All right, so here I am with my ChatGPT open. So yeah, first of all, for the YouTube video topic, I'm going to select my topic as a beginner's guide to video editing. And I want the video duration or video length to be under, let's say, under 5 minutes. And after that, we provided here are the more details about what I want to add to the video script. So for the details, I'll provide you all the references. Let's just say, all right, so for the details I provided is I want my video to be on point, like with less explanations and more demonstration. And I want to use easy wording for my audience to understand easily. So yeah, this will be our prompt for ChatGPT in order to create us a complete script for our YouTube video. So let's now go ahead and hit enter to see the output of that. All right, yes, so as you guys can see, it provided the complete script for a YouTube video, starting off with introduction. So it also provided the things we need to do in between our videos, smiling and enthusiastic. We'll welcome by saying, hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel to review an exciting topic, blah, blah, blah. Then comes our introduction to video editing. So we'll provide a bit of an introduction. Then we'll jump right into the demonstration as I provided the prompt in my ChatGPT input. Then we'll say choosing the right editing software. We'll explain about that. And we'll say importing and organizing clips, adding clips to the timeline, trimming and splitting clips, adding transitions. So yeah, this is basically the complete tutorial, or you can say a beginner's guide to video editing. So I provided the complete script for me with different sections. I can start using them, and it's very easy for me now to use them in my videos with each section. So yeah, this is how basically I'll use ChatGPT for creating video scripts.